Say hello to your ultimate power companion, the Anker Laptop Powerbank. This 25,000 mAh portable charger is an engineering marvel, designed to keep your devices powered up wherever you go. With triple 100W USB-C ports, it can charge a MacBook, iPhone, Samsung, or any other USB-C device simultaneously. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a multitasking professional, this power bank ensures you stay productive and entertained on the go. Equipped with dual built-in retractable cables, this charger offers unmatched convenience. The extendable USB-C cable stretches up to 2.3 feet, while the other doubles as a durable carrying strap. Designed for over 20,000 bends and retractions, these cables are built to last. Plus, its ability to charge up to 4 devices at once, thanks to its versatile USB-C and USB-A ports, makes it the perfect travel essential. But that's not all. With its 100W ultra-fast recharging capability, you can juice it up to 30% in just 20 minutes. The Anker Power Bank is ideal for long journeys, emergencies, or simply ensuring you never miss a beat during your busiest days. Say goodbye to low battery anxiety. Ready to experience the ultimate charging powerhouse? Click the link below to get yours on Amazon today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more in-depth and exciting product reviews. Let's stay connected and powered up together.